ಒಂದ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಓವರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಓವರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
ಓವರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Both the parties have decided to settle the matter.
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್.
ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಅದೇ overtake. Why you should not overtake your bike, is it?
I think people should.
Youngsters all 21, 22 years of age.
Again, what is this? That is because that is the age of rage.
Lordship keep repeating my lord, this road rage.
It's become terrible.
No, I'm not.
Every now and then road rage. ಯಾರು overtake ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಯಾರನ್ನು.
We'll not coming
The
in.
road is yours. It's public road, sir. Why you overtook, is it?
It's not the case, my lord.
What's the case then?
I don't have the petition right now, so.
That's okay. Tell me. Incident ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
In
You want to settle ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Why this road rage?
Case of case and counter case.
I know.
One is mine is crime number 144, his is crime number 143. Our case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದಷ್ಟೇ.
ನನಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ರೇಜ್ ಬರೀ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು?
It's at 10:30. These people are shopkeepers.
Night?
ಹೌದು, shopkeepers.
ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ರೇಜ್ ಆಗೋದು.
ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ.
ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ?
No consumption.
ಆಯ್ತು, when do you want to settle?
On the 17th, your lordship.
Oh, that's the fixed date for settlement. Yes.
There is another writ petition filed by my learned friend.
Kodi. Tag along with so and so.
Very good.
You are getting the parties here, huh?
Yes, your lordship.
Ask them to come properly.
Yes.
Don't overtake each other and come. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Complaint has been filed against the husband, mother-in-law and sister-in-law.
Husband
Also.
Lord,
Lordship, I am seeking.
even mother also serious allegation.
They
She
do
got
not have
appointed
an
a
audience
child.
at this point, your
She
lordship.
got appointed a child.
Wait.
Lordship,
Yes, madam.
my contention is on the very same allegation made.
No.
Lordship, if a bare perusal.
Come to page 61, madam.
Yes, your lordship. Lordship, the complaint itself, the complaint that she has filed in her own language.
Why she is not from here? Different places.
It's in English, your lordship, page 46.
40?
46, your lordship.
Yes.
46 ali, the first entire paragraph, she has the allegation, the main contention is about forced medical termination of pregnancy at 11 weeks. She says, when I was 11th week pregnant on June 22nd, he came to my mom's place again and took me to hospital for normal checkups. On the same day, so-and-so hospital, which is his close family friend hospital, none of that is true. I fainted in the hospital, so he gave me tablet, which was abortion tablet, and aborted my baby on June 23. The entire allegation itself is so improbable and it is absurd. The process of causing termination of pregnancy at 11th week, it's an elaborate process, your lordship.
Yes, it can't be by medication.
It cannot be by tablet, and when a person has fainted, it cannot be administered. She needs to actively ingest something.
That is medical terminology. Yes, next.
There is absolutely nothing. The medical termination of pregnancy on the same ground. I have on page 11, sorry, your lordship.
11?
On page 154, your lordship. That is the actual report regarding the MLC.
150?
Annexure G, 154.
154, all right.
154, the entire perusal of this will show her entire medical history dating back from when she was a child. She has seizures. She has severe depression.
That's all right.
And this entire, in view of severe depressive episodes, suicidal tendencies, decision for termination of pregnancy is taken. Your lordship, this is an entire.
Now both of you are living together or separated?
They're not living together, and she has been approaching him for settlement. There is also an FIR filed against her, and charge sheet has not been filed over there. Your lordship, even before we go over there, there is one primary factor over here. The sister-in-law, who is the accused number 3, she filed a complaint against the respondent number 2 and her entire family for an assault on her 2-year-old daughter. That my lordship may see this on page 159, annexure I.
Natraj, notice ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾವ. ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ಫೈಲ್.
No, ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೆ ವೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ವೇಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Lordship, On page 159 is the NCR. However, page 160 is her written complaint.
Now, who are the petitioners, madam? Mother-in-law,
All the mother-in-law,
mother-in-law,
and
sister-in-law,
husband.
and husband. Father-in-law is not there?
Mother-in-law, he's no more, Your
No,
Lordship.
all right.
He's no more. Your Lordship, I need another 30 seconds to just highlight. This is nothing more than a failed relationship. It's not even a marriage. After getting to know that she cannot have her way of chasing away the mother-in-law, she comes to file this. And there is a history of allegations. There's a history of all complaints that the husband has filed against her. She has a history of suicidal tendency. It is documented medical history. On page 145, Your Lordship. Page 145 is the Victoria Hospital.
All that is fine.
Your Lordship,
In the complaint, what is the allegation against the husband?
Against the husband, there are three primary contentions or allegations. One is that he caused medical termination of
Correct.
pregnancy. Your Lordship, I have established
Yes.
that it was consent, with her consent, and due to medical reasons. Second one is that he stole away her jewelry.
Jewelry, that's the
There is on page number, the chart sheet.
entire thing
specifically-
revolves around jewelry.
The chart sheet very specifically mentions that there was no objects that was seized. Nothing was found. He doesn't have it. Even in her statement, she doesn't say anything about whether right now it is in the possession of husband or not. My Lordship, the most important one is her allegation of making transfers to him. Your Lordship,
Transfers?
Money transfers.
Money transfer.
Money transfer. She says she has transferred about 1 lakh something. Your Lordship, we have produced all documents which show that this is nothing but reimbursements. The respondent, the de facto complainant, she has a habit of asking him for cash. She doesn't go. Whenever she asks for cash, he goes to the bank, he withdraws, and then she reimburses it. We have produced all the documents on page 161. Page 161 also shows, Your Lordship, Your Lordship may kindly see page 163. At the end of it, there is a clear, all this exculpatory material was given to the investigating officer who chose not to consider it at all. Your Lordship, the page 163, she's asking, and get me 50K cash.
All right.
And then at last, it also discloses that he is not a husband who's a cruel husband. He's in fact a loving husband.
Oh,
In fact, he uses language, Your Lordship,
That
that
we
shows.
all right,
Your
yes, yes.
Lordship,
My lord, my humble
on these
submission,
grounds, if he's allowed to suffer criminal prosecution, it shall be.
Yes.
my humble submission is this. She want to join her.
ಕೇವಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕೇವಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು submission ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು only to refer the matter to the mediation. She desperately wanted to join the husband.
Your Lordship,
Matrimony
she has been-
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು.
This is her second marriage. She has been pregnant before
No,
the
that's all
marriage.
right. 1 minute.
Lordship,
You
please.
want to settle the matter?
The husband has no interest in settling the matter because there are multiple attempts of suicide. For every no he says, she attempts suicide. She overdoses on tablets. He cannot say no to anything she asks for.
All right, yes.
No, my lord, what my humble submission is, there is a specific allegation against the mother as well as the Chetana. And there is
So husband ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
husband ಮೇಲೆ ಮೂರು allegation.
ಏನಿದೆ? Jewelry.
Not only
Iರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
aborting,
Your Lordship,
aborting
there is-
child, my lord.
Your Lordship,
Aborting
there is
child,
one other element that
Wait,
I have to.
What's your name? Wait.
Hema Shanbhat.
Wait, yes.
aborting a child, my lord, is also an allegation against
Yes, government.
Yes, sir. The investigation is completed, charge sheet is filed. My lords, initially he has taken 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs, ah?
50,000.
50,000.
Demand for 3 lakhs. My lords, again, my lords, assaulting, my lords, abusing in filthy language.
Filthy language.
Page 61, my lords.
there are documents to say that he has taken money from the wife, my lord. There are 3-4 documents where it says file 2,25,000 rupees taken from the wife, my lord. This is
My Lordship,
See,
my humble
transfer has been
submission
made.
is the wife paying money for household expenses,
Wait,
even
yes.
if it were, is that?
The petitioners accused 1, 2 and 3 are before the court calling in question the registration proceedings in CC 2844 of 2026 arising out of crime number 28 of 2026. The second respondent is the 230 mode idala. The second respondent is the complainant, the wife of the first petitioner, the husband. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner takes this court through the allegations. The allegations against the husband are threefold. One, allegations against the husband in the complaint are threefold. One, the jewelry being taken away by the husband, money transactions, and what's the other one?
Medical termination.
And the medical termination of pregnancy without the forcible medical termination of pregnancy. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that even according to the complaint, the medical termination of pregnancy has happened at 11 weeks, which cannot medically be terminated by tablets. It has to be by a procedure for which consent would be required, and the wife has consented to it and is now projecting it to be forcible termination of pregnancy. The second one is that the summary of the charge sheet would not indicate that there is any jewelry being taken away by the husband or the family members. It was only in the complaint. The third is money transaction of 50,000 rupees. Therefore, this is against the husband. The other allegations against the other members of the family are omnibus, does not relate to any overt act that are allegedly performed by these petitioners. Therefore, reserving liberty to the respondent to file application seeking vacation of the interim order, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in CC